What if I told you that right now, at this very moment, people are making thousands, if not millions, using artificial intelligence? And the crazy part, most of them don't even know how to code. If you're not using AI to make money, you're already falling behind. But don't worry, because in the next few minutes, I'm going to show you exactly how to tap into this AI gold rush before it's too late. So, are you in? Here's the problem. Most people work harder, not smarter. The rich are getting richer because they use AI to multiply their income, while the rest are stuck grinding at jobs that AI is already replacing. The world is changing, and those who don't adapt will be left behind. Think about it. AI is already writing books, creating art, doing customer service, and even trading stocks. Every second you wait, someone else is capitalizing on these tools while you watch from the sidelines. The question is, will you be the one making money or the one left wondering what happened? All right, let's get into it. Here are 10 proven ways you can start making serious money with AI today. Number 1. AI-powered content creation. AI content creation is a game changer, allowing you to automate and scale your online presence effortlessly. How to take action. Step 1. Use tools like ChatGPT and Jasper AI to generate blog posts or YouTube scripts. Step 2. Leverage Descript for AI-powered video editing and voiceovers. Step 3. Start a faceless YouTube channel by combining AI-generated scripts, AI voiceovers, and stock footage. Step 4. Monetize through YouTube AdSense, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. Step 5. Use AI-driven social media scheduling tools like Buffer or Hootsuite to optimize content reach. Step 6. Create a niche-focused blog with AI-generated content and monetize with ads. Step 7. Use AI-powered keyword research tools like Surfer SEO to boost your website's traffic. If you've ever dreamed of making money online, now's your chance. Start creating content with AI today and watch your income grow. Number 2. AI-driven freelancing and services. Freelancing with AI allows you to work smarter, not harder, leveraging automation to maximize efficiency and earnings. How to take action. Step 1. Offer AI-generated voiceovers using tools like 11 Labs. Step 2. Provide AI-assisted graphic design services via Midjourney or Canva AI. Step 3. List services on Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Step 4. Automate repetitive tasks using AI and scale your freelancing business. Step 5. Offer AI-driven transcription services using tools like Otter.ai. Step 6. Use AI-powered resume and cover letter writing services. Step 7. Provide AI-generated social media content packages to businesses. Start offering AI-powered services today and secure your spot in the future of freelancing. Number 3. AI-powered e-commerce and dropshipping. AI can help you build and scale a successful e-commerce store without spending hours on manual work. How to take action. Step 1. Use AI-driven product research tools like Hunt to find winning products. Step 2. Leverage AI chatbots for automated customer service and support. Step 3. Optimize product listings with AI-powered SEO tools. Step 4. Automate order fulfillment using platforms like DSers and Spocket. Step 5. Use AI-generated product descriptions to increase conversions. Step 6. Implement AI-based pricing strategies to maximize profit margins. Step 7. Utilize AI-powered ad management for Facebook and Google Ads. Start your AI-powered e-commerce business today and watch your store grow on autopilot. Number 4. AI stock market and crypto trading. AI can enhance your trading strategy and help you make smarter investment decisions with minimal effort. How to take action. Step 1. Use AI trading bots like Trade Ideas and Krill for automated trading. Step 2. Leverage AI-based market prediction tools for smarter investments. Step 3. Implement AI risk management strategies to minimize losses. Step 4. Set up AI-powered portfolio diversification strategies. Step 5. Use AI-driven news analysis for better market insights. Step 6. Automate crypto trading with AI bots like 3Commas or Pionex. Don't trade blindly. Use AI to give yourself an edge in the stock and crypto markets. Number 5. AI-powered online courses and coaching. AI allows you to create and sell educational content at scale, providing a passive income stream. How to take action. Step 1. Use ChatGPT to generate course outlines and lesson plans. Step 2. Record AI-assisted video lessons using Synthesia or Pictory. Step 3. Sell courses on platforms like Udemy, Teachable, or Gumroad. Step 4. Use AI-powered transcription tools to create course subtitles. Step 5. Automate student interactions using AI chatbots. Step 6. Use AI-generated quizzes and interactive materials to engage learners. Step 7. Market courses with AI-driven ad optimization. Turn your knowledge into income. Create an AI-powered online course today. Number 6. AI-powered affiliate marketing. AI makes affiliate marketing more efficient, helping you generate commissions on autopilot. How to take action. Step 1. Use AI to generate SEO-optimized blog content for affiliate marketing. Step 2. Leverage AI-powered email marketing automation. Step 3. Use AI-generated product review videos for YouTube. Step 4. Automate social media affiliate promotions with AI tools. Step 5. Utilize AI-powered ad copy generation for better conversions. Step 6. Implement AI-driven split testing for optimizing landing pages. Step 7. Use AI chatbots to recommend affiliate products to site visitors. Start using AI to scale your affiliate marketing earnings today. Number 7. AI-powered print-on-demand and merch selling. AI makes it easy to create and sell unique products with zero inventory. How to take action. Step 1. Use Midjourney or DALL-E to create AI-generated designs. Step 2. Sell designs on platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printify. Step 3. Automate design variations with AI tools. Step 4. Use AI to generate product descriptions that increase conversions. Step 5. Leverage AI chatbots for customer engagement. Step 6. Automate social media marketing with AI-generated ads. Step 7. Optimize pricing strategies using AI-driven insights. Monetize your creativity with AI-powered print-on-demand. Number 8. AI chatbots and automation for businesses. AI chatbots save businesses time and money while creating profitable service opportunities. How to take action. Step 1. Create AI chatbots using tools like ManyChat and ChatGPT API. Step 2. Offer chatbot development as a service to businesses. Step 3. Use AI automation to manage customer service inquiries. Step 4. Implement AI chatbots for e-commerce stores to boost sales. Step 5. Set up AI-powered lead generation chatbots. Step 6. Automate appointment booking with AI scheduling tools. Step 7. Utilize AI chatbots to nurture leads via automated messaging. Start building AI chatbots today and turn automation into cash. 9. AI-powered real estate and property flipping. AI helps real estate investors find profitable opportunities faster and more efficiently. How to take action. Step 1. Use AI real estate tools like Zillow AI to find undervalued properties. Step 2. Leverage AI-driven market analysis for smart investments. Step 3. Automate property listings with AI-generated descriptions. Step 4. Use AI virtual staging tools to enhance real estate visuals. Step 5. Implement AI chatbots for real estate customer inquiries. Step 6. Automate rental property management with AI-powered tools. Step 7. Use AI-driven data analytics to predict property value trends. Use AI to supercharge your real estate investment strategy today. Finally, number 10. AI-powered app and software development. AI simplifies software development, making it easier to build and monetize tech products. How to take action. Step 1. Use AI coding assistants like GitHub Copilot to accelerate development. Step 2. Develop AI-powered SaaS products and subscription services. Step 3. Automate bug detection with AI-driven debugging tools. Step 4. Use AI chatbots for in-app customer support. Step 5. Create AI-driven mobile apps for niche markets. Step 6. Monetize AI-powered software through licensing and SaaS models. Step 7. Automate app marketing with AI-driven strategies. Launch your AI-powered app or software today and start making money. Your financial future is in your hands. AI is the biggest opportunity of our generation. The question is, will you take it? Drop a comment below and let me know which AI method you'll start with. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI money-making strategies. See you in the next video.